Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be an install video on this unit that I got from Alipearl Hair. I'm so excited because I really wanted to try this wig out and she didn't disappoint, okay, at all. As you can see, like, girl, it looked like I went and got my hair done. And look, it came with braids, it came styled, it had the baby hair cut. All I had to do was like kind of like do it the way I wanted it, but styling on this was so easy, like so easy. So if you're someone who is looking to get like this type of look, this is gonna be the wig for you. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Today's unit is from Alipearl, so let's unbox it. It came in this gold box. Inside of that was a satchel, a silk tie, a melting band, some 3D eyelashes, an edge brush, HD wig cap, and some wig tape. And let's get into the unit. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's already to go pre-styled, so it comes with the lace cut already. The knots are bleached and it is already styled for you. You don't have to do anything, okay? And this is in straight. It's 24 inches. It's a medium cap size, 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps. Okay, so I adjusted the straps on this unit, and I did that so that it could fit my head snug. And as you can see, like, it's already looking like scalp, and I didn't even melt the lace yet. All right, so I'm cutting the ear tabs off on both sides. I got this wig in a medium cap size, even though my head is small, so that's why I have to do a little bit more customization. Okay, so after pushing my hair back and clipping it, I'm going to use my melting spray from Wig Dealer to secure the lace down, and I'm going to blow dry on hot heat. And I'm going to do that in the middle and then on both sides. And then I'm going to add my melting band on to further melt that lace. Okay, and even though it's straight, I just wanted to, you know, just kind of go through the hair a little bit and flat iron just a little bit, because it was in the packaging. And inside of the packaging, it has like a couple of dents, and I like my hair really straight, so I wanted that bone straight look. So I always part my hair in the middle, and then I do one half and then I do the other half. So let's speed through it because it's repetitive. I am literally just flat ironing from the top to the bottom. And I didn't have to go crazy because the hair was already bone straight. So, but adding heat made it just feel so silky, like mink hair. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, so let's take off that melting band. As you can see, it is laid. Okay, using the Gorilla Snap for the first time. Yeah, I used it on the baby hair and it worked amazing. I really like it. I would suggest that more than edge control. So yeah, I just laid it in place. I put a little bit, and then I took the comb and I just combed it, and that was pretty much it as far as the baby hairs. Like, you didn't have to go crazy. It was very quick. It was already curled, so that took a lot of the work out. Okay, and she looks done. Like, there's only one more thing to do, and that's add a bow. Because it already came styled. So this bow took the hair over the top. Like, ain't it cute? Right on trend, right? Okay, now y'all gotta just wait for my finished little poses. I'm gonna show you the front, the back, the side. Yeah, she's cute. I'm back and I absolutely love this unit. I can't wait to create looks with this wig, because with this wig I definitely want to do bows. Okay, I put the bow in there because I just felt like it just gave it a little bit of pizzazz, and like, you know, it's current right now. This is the trend. Okay, so this unit is from Alipearl here, and this is their ready to go pre-styled unit. It is silky straight, like it's giving mink. So this is the 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it already comes styled. It has braids in it. It came with baby hairs. It came with this like a little ponytail up here. I just added my own little personal touch, which was the bow. It already came straight. This is in 24 inches, which is pretty long. It hits me all the way in the middle of my stomach, and just to show you the back, it comes down to the top of my butt. My head is small, but I got a medium cap size, and I just use the adjustable straps. I would say the shedding is at a minimum, and there is absolutely no tangling, matting, or snagging, so that's a good thing. And I was truly skeptical at first, because I'm just like, there's no way they are braiding this wig. They're gonna braid this wig and get the style that I'm trying to go for. But girl, it looked like I went to the salon and had somebody do this to my head. Like, they did their thing. So it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots were already bleached and the lace was already cut. So like, when I say they took all the work out for you, all you have to do is apply the wig to your head, cut right here on the sides, because you want to make sure that it like fits your head perfectly. But after that, all you got to do is the baby hair and you're done. Like, you don't have to flat iron. I did that because I'm a little extra when I get my units. I like to wash them, but because it came styled like this, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do like a quick flat iron. But girl, she's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm gonna say I definitely recommend. If I had to rate this, I would give it a 10 out of 10. I have nothing bad to say about this unit. It is fire. Go get it. Wish I had her longer like this, and 30 inches would have been so fire. Like, just a little bit more density, this would have been out of this world. Like, this is a definite go purchase. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, definitely hit me up in the comments. I respond to everyone. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more, and share. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.